Welcome to Likuri Island Resort, perfect for those seeking a cultural experience on a budget, including kava ceremonies, fire walking, and spectacular fire shows. The island is a small island just off of Vidi Levu. It's small enough that you can kayak around it or explore it within a day, and it's all done pretty easily, and you'll get to know it very well. Here's Vidi Levu, the main island. You're going to likely be arriving at the international airport in Nandi. You're going to take about a 45-minute road trip down to the Robinson Crusoe jetty, as you see right there, and then you're going to have the boat take you up this river and out to the island right there, which takes about another 30 minutes. Whether you choose to come on the day trip or you choose to stay at the resort overnight, you're going to get a cultural experience at an affordable price. This includes a dinner that they will cook in a Lovo oven, which is basically an earth oven. You can watch it start from the fire that they build all the way through the cooking, and they take it out of the ground and show you. And then they continue to walk on the coals, which is part of the Fijian culture, and you get to hear the tradition behind that. Eat your dinner, enjoy the kava ceremony and how to do that, and then be sure to stay around for the fire shows because it is spectacular. The women dance, the men dance, they twirl fire all over the place, and don't leave before the finale. Now, if you choose to actually stay on the island, you're going to get some more cultural experiences, such as basket weaving, coconut jewelry, or as you see here, you can make some Lolo buns with the staff, which is like a bun with some sweet coconut juice that makes it quite tasty. So you see ancient pottery site, and the stuff that they've found, they put right there. Look at the markings.
Oh, that is so cool.
Got a lot of bugs on them, but yeah. Look, you can tell that was a handle almost to something. And by all means, you're on vacation, don't forget to enjoy the water, whether it's the pool or the ocean. Now, they've got a boat that will take you out to the outer reefs and you can snorkel. Keep in mind this island is by the mouth of a river, so the water is not as clear as the outer islands. So keep your expectations a little bit limited. It's a bit average snorkeling, but that's okay. Now, you've got the beach to enjoy, you've got kayaks that you can check out and paddle boards, and of course, the pool. Now, I'm a giant nerd and I had probably way too much fun with the mini pool that is connected to the big pool by underwater tunnel that you can swim through. So of course I had to have some fun with that. Like all Fijian resorts, if you stay on the island, you're going to have to buy a meal plan. It's just kind of the logistics of how the Fijian Islands work. Here, they do a buffet-style meal, so it is important that you want to be prompt when meals are served, and you'll have plenty of food. Listen for this music that they use play on the traditional Fijian instrument, and you'll be on time. It's a crab as big as my beer. That's not how we talk in Fiji. Oh, okay. One of the cool things here at Likuri, the pool has a tunnel between like this little pool and the big pool. So we're going to go under the tunnel and see how far into the other pool we can make it. Maybe to the other side to Paula. We'll see. Nope. That was a test run.